Hello, my friends. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. May is National Strawberry Month. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a great recipe using strawberries. Homemade strawberry muffins. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. It is full of fresh strawberry flavor. Great to serve for breakfast. Also, Mother's Day coming up. These would be perfect to serve for Mother's Day brunch. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Homemade Refried Beans. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your strawberries, the muffin pan, and turn on your oven, sugar, because we're about to bake some strawberry muffins magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our strawberries. In my colander, I have 1 pound of fresh strawberries that I rinsed. So now I'm going to place them onto my cutting board. And using my knife, we're going to dice them into big chunks. So that way, when you bite in the muffin, you'll get a bite of strawberry. Ain't nothing like the smell of fresh strawberries. And aren't they gorgeous? Just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish dicing the rest of my strawberries, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I am through dicing my strawberries, so now we're going to set these aside while we work on the dry ingredients. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, so I'm going to use my 1 cup measurement, and I'm going to fluff it up and level it off. And voila, perfect cup. And I'm going to place it into my sifter and medium bowl. And 2 cups. And into our flour, we're going to add in our leavenings, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of table salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And we're going to sift these together, or you can whisk them if you like. All right, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 4 ounces, which is half of an 8-ounce carton of strawberry cream cheese spread. Going to give our muffins an extra strawberry boost, and it's at room temperature. And into our cream cheese spread, we're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar and a half a cup of applesauce. And we're going to mix all these together on medium speed until they're well combined. All right, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. That's a cupful. 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract, more strawberry flavor. And 1 extra large egg at room temperature. And again, we're going to mix until it's well blended. All right, my friends, now we're going to add in the dry ingredients alternately with a half a cup of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk, beginning and ending with flour. Last of the milk. And last of the flour. Continue mixing until it's well incorporated. And be careful not to overmix. Alright, my friends, I am through mixing up my batter, and this is what it looks like. Nice and smooth. That looks great. Now it's time to add in our last ingredient and the star of the show. Our diced strawberries. And fold these in. I can smell the strawberry extract and the vanilla extract and the cinnamon. These muffins are going to be spectacular. Alright, as soon as I get through folding in my strawberries, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through folding in my strawberries. Now we are ready to scoop them into our muffin pan. we're going to scoop them in the 12-cup muffin pan and I lined them with paper liners. So using my ice cream scoop, we're going to scoop the batter 3/4 of a way into our muffin liners and it will give us even muffins. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my muffins and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I've got all my muffins together. Now we are ready to put it in our preheated oven. Oven set to 375 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 20 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell strawberry muffins. I just taken them out of the oven. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. And look at the strawberries just oozing out of there. So now I'm going to let them rest in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then I will place them onto my platter. Alright my friends, there you have it. Fresh strawberry muffins. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and then we'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I have fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with a strawberry on the side. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Beautiful texture. It's so moist. The strawberries are juicy. Please don't skip the strawberry cream cheese. Really makes a difference. I'm in strawberry heaven. These strawberry muffins are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Strawberry muffins, licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy Mother's Day.